Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to continue recording a draft on TikTok. So let me show you an example of a draft here. So some of the drafts can be continued if you wish to. So let me show you how to create a draft. Very easy. All you have to do is just to start creating or filming your video. Then you can just return and continue recording it. So how to do that? So from your camera page or setting, you can just start having or filming your video. Click the check button and then tap next, and then you can tap draft. Now this will be saved to your drafts. So drafts can be found next to your pinned videos. So let's open that and tap on that unfinished video that we have. So tap next or tap that arrow button for you to see this option whether you quit editing or continue recording. So as you can see, this was the previous recording that we have. Just simply tap it again to continue recording, and if you're done, tap next. And if you're ready to upload it, you may now post your video. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.